Alright, bro. Start with my little Air Force One collection. My pink foam posits in them junk right there. Got them right there. I think them the 95. These some more foam posits. Air Max 2014s. Some Gazelles, green joints. Some pennies. Dion's. See them old school chuckers right there. And my hooping shoes. And more Air Max. Adidas, red Adidas. Some Jordan 23s right there. Little blazers. Can't see them loafers in there. Hold up. My polos. Them just some little Steve Maddens. My Wallabies in there. Some Air Max 1s. That's them Jordan 10s that just dropped. I'm gonna come back to them right there. My 12s, some old 8s. It's them Green Bay colorway Jordan 1s. Black and red joints. Some mellows, them 2 pair of mellows. And here, it was the package with the black and red 11s. And the 12s. I messed up the 12s, but I got 2 black and red 11s. Hold on. Alright, that's them Coast loafers. I just got them though. Uh-oh. Yeah, them all pretty funky. And man, what a nigga been waiting on? That's them Eliza Diggins. Foam posits. And they the real deal. You see that half sole on that thing. The fake joints got the all black sole with the replicas. The real deal joints come with that. You know what I'm saying? Got that longitude, latitude in there. See the fly flag on that thing, Eliza Diggins. Logo on the back, and they is 1500. You know, just so you can see that. Eliza Diggins, baseball. Real deal, man. Just so a nigga can believe you said. A nigga think I'm fugazi. I ain't no fugazi. Everything I got, that shit real deal. Ain't too many niggas in the city that got these.